we talked about how you know you're in a bottleneck business, and there's 3 types of bottleneck business, or 3 flavors of what that might look like that you find yourself in or that you can sense coming. And those are the you dependent business, where basically you're responsible for everything happening. You're the janitor and the CEO and all of it. Then there's the custom everything trap, where every single client gets a bespoke solution, which means you are capping how many clients that you can serve and how much time and energy you have available. And then the third one is the capacity cage, where maybe you're totally fully booked out, and that's a good problem to have, but it's not, because you have a ceiling and you cannot grow your income anymore and you can't grow your energy anymore. So unless you raise your rates, which you can only do so much, then you need to change how you do your business. So there are 5 levers or leverage points in your business that can take you from being stuck or capped by that bottleneck business to creating an actual scalable business that can grow beyond you, where you can serve more clients, you can make more money, and you can make a bigger impact with actually less effort instead of more. So we're going to talk about how to scale, and that's an acronym, SCALE. Those are the 5 levers.